I want you for my own, baby. Lay on you my foot unbending cling, wrap you in my dreams and take you walking on a shining silver chain. Well, I scream and cry, cross my heart and hope to die, but you run from me so totally, like smoke into the sky. I call you on the phone, darling, though there is nothing left that I can say. If they only knew what I was thinking, they'd put me straight away. But they don't. And so to the city I will go, where you pay someone to spit on you in the gentle river flow. I left you in the lurch, baby, ran into the next unblinking day, waded through a turgid mire to have you, and I threw it all away. Oh, what a thing to do. See, I love you, sure I'll do, but I can't help what I'm not, and what I cannot do. I want you for my own, darling, to make on you my sad capricious mark. But you are like a chip and fire in heaven, and I'm just staggering in the dark. Yes, I am.